The Porsche Boxster and Cayman sports cars manufactured and marketed by German automobile manufacturer Porsche across 4 generations, as a 2-door, 2-seater roadster, Boxster, and a 3-door, 2-seater fastback coupe, Cayman. The first-generation Boxster was introduced in 1996, the second-generation Boxster and the Cayman arrived in late 2005, and the third generation launched in 2012. Since the introduction of the fourth generation in 2016, the two models have been marketed as the Porsche 718 Boxster and Porsche 718 Cayman. The nameplate Boxster is a portmanteau of Boxer, a reference to its flatter Boxer engine, and Roadster, a reference to the body style. The nameplate Cayman is an alternative spelling of Cayman, a member of the alligator family. The Porsche Boxster is a mid-engine 2-seater roadster. It was Porsche's first road vehicle to be originally designed as a roadster since the 914. The first-generation Boxster, the 986, was introduced in late 1996. It was powered by a 2.5-liter flat 6-cylinder engine. The design was heavily influenced by the 1993 Boxster concept. In 2000, the base model was upgraded to a 2.7-liter engine and a new Boxster S variant was introduced with a 3.2-liter engine. In 2003, styling and engine output was upgraded on both variants. Production of the 986 began at the former 928 facility in Stuttgart, Germany in 1996. Valmet Automotive also manufactured Boxsters under contract to Porsche at a facility in Uusikaupunki, Finland. The Boxster was Porsche's biggest volume seller from its introduction in 1996 until the introduction of the Cayenne Sport utility vehicle in 2003. As of September 2012, additional production of the Boxster started at the former Karmann factory in Osnabrück. In 2005, Porsche debuted the second generation of the Boxster, the Type 987, with a more powerful engine and styling inspired by the Carrera GT. Engine output increased in 2007, when the Boxster models received the engines from their corresponding Cayman variants. In 2009, the Boxster models received several new cosmetic and mechanical upgrades, further increasing engine output and performance. The third-generation Boxster, Type 981, was launched at the 2012 Geneva Motor Show. First launched in 2005 for the 2006 model year, the Cayman is a coupe derived from Porsche's second and third generation Boxster Roadster, styled in its first iteration by Pinky. All Caymans were manufactured in Finland by Valmet Automotive. As Volkswagen assumed control of Porsche AG, production of Caymans and Boxsters after 2012 began in the former Karmann plant in Osnabrück, Germany, at the time owned by Volkswagen and also used for production of the 2012 Golf, Mk6, convertible.